I am out here at Honest. Got Lucas and his brother. What's your name?
Noah.
Noah. Cool. Like Noah Fields. Is he named after Noah Fields? Just anyway, you guys know how prepared I like to come to herping adventures and stuff like that, and how I always think things through and stuff. Yeah, I forgot all my stuff at home. So I just literally have my phone and a snake hook. Don't even have my backpack, water, nothing. Totally unprepared herping trip. And I'm also going to have to edit this thing on my iMovie app, so the clips will fade in or fade out as one fades in. So I'm going to try to make it to where it doesn't cut off what I'm ending on saying and what I'm about to say. It's going to be an interesting video. So, yeah. But at least I have a cameraman.
Hey, got a grasshopper.
You have a grasshopper? I'm revoking your cameraman privileges. Also, words are really hard today, too. Oh, what's our goal today?
I'm hoping to find a copperhead.
Yeah, copperhead. Not a herp, but right here. Oh, right there. Oh, God, that was a wasp in my face.
Oh.
Right there is a wolf spider with a ton of babies on its back, which is a really, really cool sight to see. Also terrifying if you have arachnophobia. Lucas just flipped
A turtle.
a turtle, a baby turtle. This is
Possible wood turtle?
possibly a wood turtle. I don't know. Thought it was a box turtle, but it's just not.
He doesn't have the hinges.
It doesn't have the hinges. It is a
Turtle.
It's like a female.
Not have the dent in his belly.
No, not really.
That's the cutest little turtle I've ever seen, though.
I know. Look at him. He's just so adorable. He's got these, like, here, I'll show them to you guys. These little
Spikes on the back.
spikes on the back right there.
Okay, I gotta look up what turtles are.
Yeah. If you guys happen to know what species this is, let me know in the comments for sure. He is adorable. Absolutely cute. Just sitting
Either way, that's a fur.
right under this rock. So, look at him. He's so adorable.
Okay, I just looked up baby wood turtle.
Yeah?
Compare that to the back.
It's not.
Maybe baby box turtle.
No, it can't be a box turtle. Gotta be a slider. Well, no.
He ain't a slider, because look at his feet.
I don't know. He could be.
Someone in the comments, just tell us what
Yeah,
this
so
is.
we're racking our brains trying to figure this out.
Either way, that's the smallest turtle I've ever found.
Right. Get some photos of this guy and then we'll let him go.
Sort of lander box. I think it's a wood turtle. Since it doesn't have the hinges of a box turtle, but it still has the same body structure.
Right. I don't know. The way the ridges go on the back is just, it's crazy.
Yeah. What is this?
I have absolutely no idea.
He's adorable, whatever he is. Or she.
Well, I guess we'll...
Well,
I'd stick her, once you get done taking some photos, I'd stick her right there, just under.
yeah.
That way she's still protected, but not going to be squished by that thing. So, that is the world's smallest turtle. That thing is adorable. Look at its little hands he's out there.
He's not scared at all.
No, it's probably his first time experiencing people. Like,
Hey,
dude,
little
you need to
buddy.
amp up your defensiveness, because,
Oh, he's moving.
God, don't drop him.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little tail.
He's adorable.
Alright, we'll get a
But
release
what
on him, and then
are you?
I don't know. I got some pictures of him, so we'll have to look it up once we let him go. But
Putting him down.
remember, I can't edit this footage.
There you go, little buddy.
I'll just make him a little bit more safe and not out in the open.
It blends in pretty well.
There you go, dude. Oh wow, you like that? Here you go.
Yeah, send a picture to Rob. See what
You were full of surprise. Where'd he go?
he's under the other side now.
Okay. You were full of surprises because there is a slime.
Where'd it go? There'd he go.
You cute little bastard.
Any more?
That'd be nice. Well, he's not wanting to be cooperative. He's on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's already left. Well, we got a
turtle in the slime.
Turtle in a slime. We haven't had rain in forever. This is just weird.
Oh, you found him?
Okay, so Noah just found
A common snapper.
a common snapper
On the tracks.
What'd I tell you? All those people out there banging around and all the aquatic shit is up here now.
That still wasn't. Yeah, he's alive.
You alive, buddy? I know. You're gonna make yourself bigger in life, aren't you? Here, take this. I wanna. You've handled your big snapper. Just careful to cover up that mic. Hey, cutie.
Oh, he's pissed.
I know. You are light.
Really?
Oh.
Yeah.
He's not that big.
No, he ain't that big.
That'll be a good thumbnail. The day of the weird ass turtle finds.
Dude, you are dry as can be, bub.
We need to get this dude back to the quarry.
I mean, they can. The crazy thing about snapping turtles is that you can take them 2 miles, up to 2 miles away from water, and they can sense and find out where the water is at. So their range away from water can be up to 2 miles, and they can sustain still just completely fine, even though they are an aquatic species of turtle.
Yeah, Noah found him.
I've seen a tail. I was like, oh, there's a turtle.
Well, that's really weird.
See how close you can get to your hand.
That would hurt.
Yeah, it would. I've been
It
bitten
would.
on the calf before.
Oh yeah, no, me too. It's not fun, but look at these claws. These things are great.
Hey,
This is-
for me.
Oh no, you're fine. You're fine. These things are amazing because they are literally prehistoric dinosaurs.
And you said you didn't want to find snapping turtles this year.
I mean, I wasn't going to go out and just search for just snapping turtles, but still finding one is pretty cool.
Especially here.
And especially this big.
Just look how far we...
Away from water. It's absolutely ridiculous. But, oh my goodness. And their skin is just so freaking leathery. It's ridiculous.
That made me flinch.
These claws, though.
Oh, they scratched the hell out
Look
of
at
you.
these claws. You want to let me do it, girl? No. Let me do it.
Hey, let's test the bite force. Stick.
Oh, that made you flip.
Man, she's angry. Is it a female? No, 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 no.
Calm down, girl. Your best case when you're filming is just keep your eyes on that.
I should pee.
She just crapped all over you.
I thought we were friends. We're not friends?
Hey, their neck could go pretty far out,
I
man.
know. Hey, cutie. You're adorable.
Oh,
Aw.
you gonna give her a kiss?
What's crazy is, I don't know if you guys can see it with the quality. Oh, you hear that?
He's hissing.
You're all right. Now, those eyes, the patterning in those eyes, I
Here,
shot
I'm
a
gonna
little.
try to zoom in.
I shot a little bit of that on that turtle that was in the water snake pond.
We call him Lenny.
Yeah, and just their eye pattern is just absolutely insane. Just the fact that he's. Oh!
Why would you? Screw you.
The internet got a good laugh out of that one.
Fair enough.
Goodness, this girl.
So you want to get a few pictures and then
Yeah, I'll get a few pictures of her and then let her.
I guess
go.
back to where she was.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave her right where she was and just kind of let her do her thing. But yeah, you can go ahead and cut it.
Okay, man.
Hey, pretty thing. You don't like this, do you? All right, and the handoff. Here. There you go. Oh, she's got me wrapped around her. And that's what turtle piss looks like on your hand. You want some of this?
Oh, I'm good.
Okay, all right. I see you. I see you. You talk about herping and finding dinosaurs. Like, this is about as close as you can get, except for the alligator snapping turtle. Now, we do have those in certain parts of Tennessee, correct?
I've actually seen one about 20 miles from here.
Okay. But they are protected, and we cannot handle them like we can with these.
They're
soon.
classified as vulnerable.
Yeah. And it varies state by state. Some states are highly threatened and stuff like that. But these guys are named common snapping turtles for a very specific reason. They're common. You know? I don't know the scientific name on it, but if you guys do know, then leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, we're going to get back to seeing what else crazy stuff we can find in this video. It's ridiculous. I need to come herping like unprepared more often. It's a snapping turtle. And he found a baby
Hey!
gray rat.
This may actually be a normal gray rat.
Well, I mean, they grouped them now with taxonomy on
I
them.
don't care.
They grouped them now with taxonomy on them, so we have
No,
a...
it doesn't.
They get mistaken for copperheads all the time just because of that kind of patterning and stuff right there.
I mean,
especially when they're younger. And you guys have seen us handle the bigger species.
We've
Or the
handled
bigger versions of the species. Adults and how...
Hey, where are you biting at me?
Does that
Yeah.
hurt?
You found a turtle. He found a snake.
You
I
gonna
found a
bite?
slimy. Does that count?
Me and Noah found a turtle, and I found a snake.
Well,
Hey, so now you
probably
bite
not
me.
best to talk with your hands when you have a snake in your
Shut
hands.
it. What are you biting at me for? No, it doesn't.
I'm not doing that.
Well, you don't want to hold him? Oh, he's grumpy.
I know.
Yeah, I just saw him going right.
Yeah, when you were going over there, I saw him start to take off, and then that's when you grabbed it. The patterning on these things is just insane when they're little like that.
This
It's
is either
so
a
vibrant.
yeah. Let's just call it gray rat. Right next to the.
I mean, if we're
snapping
gonna be correct on taxonomy, you know.
gray rat.
Yeah.
And now, is this a male or a female?
All right, I want to hold this girl for a second. A couple of times. What's crazy about these juvenile gray rat snakes is if you look at the eyes and the way the head's shaped, it's almost like a what is it? The Transpecos rat snake?
No, stop messing with a turtle.
The Transpecos rat snake, right? Is that what I'm thinking of?
Maybe.
Little
She's
turtle.
just burying
Little
herself.
turtle's still going crazy. All right, well, I'm gonna let Lucas get the release on this girl, and then we will.
Hopefully, get a bigger one.
God, see what else we can have this day.
My first help.
Okay.
All right, where were you? Where'd you find her at? Over here?
Yeah, she was along this rock.
All right, I'll just let her run up in the woods where she was before. Do what she was doing.
There you go, girl.
Her going up. Nice.
Good
I don't know
catch.
how well you guys can make it out, but right here we have a fence lizard. It's just posted up like he. Okay. Yeah, you're all warmed up now, ain't you, buddy? There you go. Fence lizard here, and you guys just the patterning on this thing is insane. Oh, thank you for a little bit. I got to see you. Dick. Made it out here to the other side of the tracks. We're gonna check that out. See exactly what's going. What the hell are you doing? Get up, dude. This is not a time to sit down. We are trying to herp to make a video for these guys. They spend their time out of their day to watch us herp, and you're sitting in a chair in the middle of these tracks.
It's comfy.
So, I get you're an opportunist, but that's too far. So guys, we got ourselves a ring neck. I just flipped under this little rock right here, and this is a good size ring neck. Really good size. Already done the pooping and stuff like that. Looks like has a injury right there.
Ooh, yeah, right on the belly.
Yeah, right on the belly. What's crazy is, you know, remember guys, we found these dudes out here before, and you remember me talking about the belly patterning being weird and some it varying from being pale to look at this one. This one has the dots.
Wait, it does?
This one has the dots, yes.
Oh, it does.
This one has the dots, but what's weird is towards the end of the tail that it becomes more faded, so it's like, look at this.
Yeah, they just kind of space out.
Yeah, they kind of space out. That is crazy. Super cool looking snake. Oh my gosh, these guys are amazing. I love them. He's doing a little curly thing with his tail, so I like that. It's kind of cool. It's good to know if these ring necks are out, though. That's for sure.
We'll take a few pictures and let him go.
Yep, we're gonna get some pictures of this guy and let him go and continue on down these tracks. Now that Lucas is well rested. Lost his tail, it looks like.
And regrown it.
And starting to regrow it. He's just kind of chilling right there. It's pretty cool.
No, I think that's a broadhead.
No, that's a 5-line.
But he has a red head.
Huh?
He has a red head.
See that blue on the tail?
I've seen broadheads with blue. It's not a lot, but.
Oh, Jesus.
You killing?
Oh, good job.
No, I didn't kill him.
No, he jumped off.
He went over here somewhere. I don't know where he went to. He's off doing his own thing. Now we're gonna check this creek out, see what's over here. Going to do it for this crazy day of herping. It's ridiculous. Like, I mean, the stuff that we found, the diversity was just insane. Like that weird turtle, which you guys let me know in the comments what that was, that little baby. The snapping turtle, just in the middle of the tracks. You know, the slimy, the gray rat, the ringneck, and I don't know, the fence lizards, which are always here. But anyway, guys, tomorrow, I'll be seeing you guys in the video. It's probably gonna be a fishing video. If this video is posted Monday. Today's Monday that you're seeing this. So tomorrow is Tuesday. So it'll be a fishing video of me and Connor. You guys are gonna love that. And then Wednesday and Friday are gonna be herping videos, and I think you guys are gonna like that because I'm gonna be going out early in the morning with Lucas, and then meeting up with Chasen later on that night, and we're gonna be herping here in the morning and later on during the day. And then we're gonna be hitting, we're gonna Google herp basically, and just put it in Google Maps and just look at the satellites and see if we can find any cool areas around here, and we're gonna herp that. So you guys be looking forward to that. I love you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.